It's Neato! D10, 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 D10. Yeah, there are a lot of ways I could have introduced this product for today. I could have said, Domo arigato, Neato Robotics, domo. However you want to do it, this is the Neato Robotics D10 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. We're going to unbox it and test it out right after this. Okay, I really hope I've got all the space needed to do this, because honestly, I'm going to need a lot of it. Okay, I think we're good there, just so I don't have to move my camera. So, what is in the box? Well, let us find out here. So I'm going to lift it up, and just like, oh, hello, it opens like this. Okay, so we've got Neato, the ultimate cleaning machine. Oh man, I wish the lights would move. Sorry about all this white. You notice I moved that bookcase there, so because they were just getting so much white in this that everything was just getting washed out. It looked like Minority Report up in here. It's crazy without all the cobalt blue, you know, if you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, let's lift up the lid here. Not really much to see. I'm just going to put this to the side. And this is it right here. Okay, so it comes in this nice little bag. Gives a nice little instruction booklet with some. Actually, these aren't really instructions, they're just numbers you can call. Honestly, I might need them. So, let's open this guy up. And he comes in this. This is not plastic, I'm not sure what this material is, but hopefully it's eco-friendly. Because I've recently heard that plastics are not recyclable as you think. And maybe we'll report on that sometime. I hope so. I like to be get more sustainable and stuff like that. I talk about things like that in these videos. In the meantime, I want to show off this thing because it looks like he kind of lifts up somehow. It's like he's got some wheels under here that are kind of, see that? And I put it down. So that kind of sinks down and then kind of goes up like that. I'm going to have to look in on that as far as what that can kind of do. Got a lot of plastic on the side that I can check out. This looks like it's removable, whatever the heck this is. Yeah, we're gonna have to test this out, alright. Okay, so what else is in the box? Well, this stand thing. This must be its charging base. Chances are it probably has a cord here or something. Yeah, it's got a little brushy thing here. Get a little close up of that. See that? It's a little brush. It's taped in there. Take it out. And brush, a comb. Someone's gonna comb the air around this. Oh, it magnetically locks in there. Wow, that's kind of cool. I didn't expect that. Okay, somewhere in here we've got the instructions for it, and we also have, clearly the charging cord. So, we also have this thing. I don't know what this could be. I'm just going to open it and see what it is. And, looks like the filter. Something tells me I'm going to have to figure out how to put the filter in on this thing. And I'm going to have to set this up. So I think I should go to the next room and just set this up right now and see how it works. Okay, before I set this up, I want to draw to your attention the Neato Nomo N2. This is a vacuum cleaner that I reviewed before, a robot vacuum cleaner. Yeah, actually we had an incident regarding this vacuum cleaner. You see, my wife had a party, and we wanted it to do its job to suck up the dust and stuff for it. Unfortunately, I didn't realize that it wasn't even charged. And I basically told it, "You're fired." Okay, I didn't really mean it. I didn't realize that I had another robot vacuum cleaner on the way to review, but I think it's pretty funny. Anyway, we're gonna set up our new vacuum cleaner in this spot and see how it does. Okay, because I'm smart, I'm gonna actually look at the instructions to see what I need to do before I wanna just plug this in the wall and see what happens. If that sounds good to you, that sounds good to me. The quick start guide. What would we do without quick start guides? I guess it would be just the slow start guide. Hey, check it out. Look in the corner here. It looks like this is for the D8, D9, and D10. I guess a little bit of instruction goes a long way. Okay, so according to the quick start guide, all you really need to do is just plug it in and put it up against the wall to charge it, and that's fine. We'll do that. The issue is it looks like it wants you to download the app. I'll have to check that out. However, there seems to be some filters here. You would think like one of the steps would be put the filter in or something. Is that just something that comes obviously? Or just, oh, it looks like we're getting into different instructions. Oh shoot, we're like into full different instructions. Okay, maybe I have to check out the main instruction on this. Once again, different language, important safety instructions. Doesn't seem to talk about the filters at all. That's strange to me, but we'll check that out later. Okay, you can see I've got it connected up to the wall. No problem there. Wire cord goes over there, connects to this. One thing I wanted to bring to your attention is how there's two magnet kind of things here, and then there's just these little bars, very much wired bars here. I believe this is pretty much, oh, hello. See the way that moves in there? Yeah. Just out of curiosity, I'm just gonna hit the play button and see what happens.
To set up your robot, please download the Neato app.
Figures. It wouldn't be a plug and play. By the way, I still haven't figured out how to get this thing off yet. There's nothing, oh, did that just click? I thought I heard some click there. It's difficult to do. Man, I could have sworn I heard something click. Or make some kind of, oh, here we go. Hey, there's the filter. This must be where the dirt comes in. Oh, okay, replace, what does that say? Got my glasses on. Okay, 1 to 2 months. I happen to have 2 of those, so that's good. So we're good to go on this thing. Maybe I'll replace it by then. No, don't talk like that. Okay, we're just gonna put this back on. This thing, this looks like this should just come off. I mean, look at how loosey-goosey this thing is. See that? See how loosey-goosey that is? Crazy. Okay, we'll have to set up the app. Something that I wanted to point out here was how it doesn't really connect to the wall. Sometimes that thing slips out there, but as you can see, the light goes on, and now it is in fact charging, but that can come loose very easily. I want to show you guys the app in progress here. I'm getting this in the shot. There we go. Okay, I'm going to hit the play button. I'm going to see what happens. And there it goes. Alright, look at it go. Okay, so it says it's checking the area. Now what I believe it does is it scans around as it looks. So it's going to have a map of my house that I can show you guys once I get this going on. Okay. Alright, it's good. Oh, okay. It got caught there. It got caught there. There's like a dog toy with oh man. Oh, okay. Can we get this out of there? Okay. Hopefully the crisis has been averted. Okay, it's got some, come on, sweep up the dust. Sweep it up. There's some dog hair over there. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Get it good. Get it. Oh, it's figuring out that there's where there's walls. Get it, get it, get it. Come on, get it, get it. Aha. Okay, yeah, you can't go there. Hey, look at how much that cleaned that spot there. I'm liking this so far. Yeah. Look how far this can go. You gonna go to the table? I don't think I have to worry about cleaning this place here now. I hate vacuuming, don't you? Aren't we glad we have robots to do it now? Please don't rebel against us. You know, we just want you to clean our floors. Okay, there's always nooks and crannies that any house will have that... Oh, what if the robot can actually get into that chair? Huh. Okay, so it's figuring this out. It's scanning my space. It's really efficient. Okay, let's see if it'll go under... Hey, underneath my table's always a good spot to put. It knows that the chair's there. Did you see that? It actually dodged it. Huh. This thing's greatly advanced. Okay, so I've had enough of this demonstration. It's been a little while for it's going. I didn't want to bore you with all of it. So I'm going to hit the pause button. Okay, it just paused. Now, what's it going to do next? Oh, is there a stop button on here that I can hit? Okay. Well, it's cancel and return to base. I can hit that. Okay, sorry. Let's see how let's see if it's going to return to base really well. There it is, right there. There's my base right there. It's not very far. So, it where it needs to go. Okay, once again, alright, it's lining itself up. Okay, it's spinning around for some reason. I don't know why it would be spinning around. Oh, that's spinning around something very violently. Okay. Okay, now it's wiggling there. Wiggle while you're jiggling free. And it's stopped. And we're good to go. And if you want to get the Neato D10 for yourself, you can get it for $399.99 on the Neato site. And I'll put a link in the article there. And I think that's all I got to say about this for now. It's been Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, signing off.